I'm joking. Mamma mia. Guys, it's not the end. There's more left to see. Welcome to Kyrascope. Today, I got something special for you guys. And before I start the video, click the like button and subscribe me and click the bell button. So I got Moonlite. This is a Storybook projector for your mobile phone. This is suitable for 1 to 4 years. If you want to start with Moonlite, this is the best pack to start with because it has 2 stories included along with the projector. Unboxing time! So what have we got here? Here we got the 2 Moonlite stories. This is the very busy spider. The other one is the very hungry caterpillar. And this is the activation code so people don't just copy this. And this is the projector. And if you see it closely, it says quick start guide over here. You can just take this out and there's a guide at the back. I can read this. First, get your activation card from package. You will need to enter this code into the app. Second, download the Moonlite app. Third, open the app and set up the Moonlite account. Fourth, follow the app in the tutorial for the instructions on how to use your Moonlite. I need a phone to use this, so I'll call my father to help me. First, you open the app. Then, choose your story and put the CD in the projector. Click your story, start reading. Can you see the light is on now? Now it's telling you how to put the projector. Put it like this, put the whole up. Align the projector to the flashlight. Attach your Moonlite projector to begin. Please clip the Moonlite projector over the flashlight of your phone. Now this is focus. This is the first picture. Now start reading. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. If you click the circled words, you can hear the sound. I love the story. It was amazing. I'll tell another story to my little sister. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped. Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. So bye bye guys. See you in the next video. If you like us, then subscribe us. Bye.